Now, once you're able to bring your mindset, you smell the leather, you know exactly what you want, then you got to ask yourself, what do I do to have this life? So when I've met people who are like, I will never take 20,000, 30,000 to buy a phone, to buy an iPad, I will never do that. How much is land? And I'm like, yeah, you will never do it because you will never get that kind of money. Because you see, money is mindset. There is no shortage of money on the planet. If you get 1 billion, there will not be shortage of money. If somebody has 1 trillion, there will not be shortage of money. So it is not about shortage of money. It's about the limitation that you put on yourself. We don't serve a God who is limited. We serve an unlimited God. So the level of blessing that God can trust you with is based on the capacity you have to handle it. Go to the riverside, go to the Amazon, go to the sea, go there and try to fetch the water. Fill all the barrels, the tanks, the containers in your house. Fill all of them and see whether the ocean, somebody will even feel that the water has been fetched. It won't be felt. That is how money is. That is how wealth is. You can make more. You can be more than that. You can achieve more than what you have dreamt of. You can be bigger. You can be better. You can be greater. So you got to ask yourself, yes, this is the lifestyle that I want. Yes, this is what will give me peace of mind. Yes, I want my children to attend the best schools in the world. I want to live in a better neighborhood. I don't want to think about fuel prices, water bills, electricity bills. Yes, I want to take care of my spouse. I want to take better care of my children. That is your dream. Okay, write it down. That is your dream. Okay, have an image of it. That is your dream. Okay, go smell the leather. Go into these neighborhoods and find and smell the atmosphere in that particular environment. Then ask yourself, what do I have to do? Who do I have to become so that I will live this life? Don't put a cap on God. Don't put a cap on yourself. And so that is why when I hear people, they are like, oh, I would never take money to buy an expensive phone. I'm like, yeah, you're going to be broke for the rest of your life because you think there is lack. There are people who are like, oh, I will never take taxi. I will never take Uber. I will take trotro. Why? Because they want to save 1 cedi. They want to save 1 cedi 50 pesos. You think saving 1 cedi or 1 cedi 50 pesos will make you wealthy? No. You want to live a big life. You want to become successful. You want to become wealthy. You want the universe to take you serious, but you have not changed your mindset. You have the wrong spirit. I'm not saying blow your money. What I'm saying is that you have to manifest, live your dream before that dream actually comes to pass. You gotta live the dream before the dream comes to pass. I don't know, but I feel like preaching to you in this moment. You gotta begin to live your dream before that dream comes to pass. But you are putting a cap on yourself. And you are making confessions. You want to live in a bigger neighborhood. You want to take better care of your family, but you are still thinking mediocre. You are still thinking small. You are still worried about small things. How can you be able to think big? So 2 things. Who do you have to become to achieve that dream? Number 2, what do you have to do to achieve that dream? You want to be the best in your industry? Who do you have to become? What do you have to do? You want to be the best husband, take better care of your children. You want to become the best father to your children. Who do you have to become? What do you have to do? And these are the questions that many people do not ask about what it takes to become successful. So whatever dream that you have right now, I want to ask you, who do you have to become? And what do you have to do? There are people who want to become great, who want to become successful, but they cannot let go of people limiting them. Because when you start on the journey of success, people are going to ridicule you. People are going to insult you. People are going to call you names. But that is not what matters. What matters is, are you willing to become that new person? When you start carrying yourself to be the best of the best, when you start positioning yourself to enjoy life at a certain level, people are going to come for you. Oh, Kukwa, you have changed. Oh, Adepa, look at you. Oh, Nhyira, you've changed. You are not the person we know any longer. Yeah, because you got to become a new person to be able to live that dream. Some of you got to be willing to walk away from your friends. Some of you got to be willing to walk away even from your family, your blood relations, so you can break the ceiling. Because some of you are coming from an environment, a society where nobody has broken the ceiling before. Nobody has achieved anything significant before. Everybody is living hand to mouth. But you feel you carry a destiny. You feel you carry a purpose. You feel God has given you the mandate to be able to go out there and break the generational curse of scarcity, of lack in your family. But you are being held back. Oh, Kukwa, don't go far. Oh, Nhyira, that is too much. Oh, Nhyira, take it easy. You got to be willing to walk alone. You got to be willing to be alone sometime. Nobody will be willing to talk to you because they see you as a strange being. They don't understand why you cannot be like them. They don't understand why you cannot talk like them. They don't understand why you cannot settle like everybody. Everybody is looking for a job. Everybody is going to school. Everybody is carrying their CVs around. Why do you want to become an entrepreneur? Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to do that? But you gotta be different. Every successful person you see is different from the pack. They do things differently. They think differently. So my question to you is this. What is your dream? Who are you willing to become? And what are you willing to do? On the altar of success, there must be a sacrifice. My question is, what are you willing to walk away from? What are you willing to give up? Because you gotta give up something. You gotta walk away from something. You gotta let something loose. My question is, what are you willing to walk away from? Because God can only give to you based on the capacity you have. That's it. It is your capacity that determines how much blessing God can trust you with. And there are many of you, your confessions, your mindset, the people around you, your environment, everything is just speaking limitation, poverty, scarcity, fear, doubt, anxiety. But there is a voice kicking in you that I'm bigger than this. I am stronger than this. I'm better than this. I can do greater than this. But you are not heeding to the voice because you are afraid of being different. You are afraid of walking away. Listen, you got to be willing to walk away. You got to be willing to be different. You got to be willing to stand on yourself, trusting God that you will become successful. But that is the first dark side of success that nobody tells you.